So we're here in Kielder, and we're all kitted up, all got the gear on, all full of waterproofs. We're about to descend the mountain, so...
Ascend?
Yeah, ascend.
Brave men fall with the battle cry. Tears fill the eyes of their loved ones and their brothers in arms. So it went for Joseph Warren. It should have been different. It could have been easy. His rank could have saved him. But a country unborn is bravery, and it spread like wildfire. From the ashes grew sweet liberty, like the seeds of the pines when the forest burns. They open up, grow, and burn again. It should have been different. It could have been easy, but too much money rolled in to ever end slavery. The cry for war spread like wildfire.
Got to the wet bit now. There's the boys. Luckily we thought ahead. Waterproofs on, wanted to test my new kit. Oh fuck it. We'll get ourselves away.
Civil War came, Civil War went. Brother fought brother. The South was spent, but it's true to my hatred passed down through the years. Should have been different. It could have been easy, but pride has a way of holding too firm to history, and it burns like wildfire.
So I thought we'd show you this little track that will come down. We knew the way back. I've been before, but we just couldn't let our curiosity settle, so we just went down this little track, and I'll show you what it's like. It's pretty deadly. It's very, very wet. There's a lot of chances to break an ankle out here. So yeah, having to be careful. The lads have just discovered, by the way, they wanted to let you know that we didn't know, but our walking sticks have actually got proper tips underneath. We didn't even know. Marcus has went and bought some, and no underneath there the entire time. So lovely.
I was born a southern son in a small southern town where the rebels run wild. They beat their chest and they swear we're gonna rise again. It should have been different. It could have been easy the day that old Horn died. Hate should have gone with it. But here we are, caught in the wild.
tip, cotton buds and Vaseline, because it's petroleum jelly, is a great fire starter. And this has been passed on from our specialist of the tinder, which is Mr. Mikey Lindsay. But they are going up belter.
It's going.
And obviously one of our best operators that we've got at hand, which is Mr. Hunter, who is he is the man.
Snake charmer, fire starter. All around nice guy.
All around nice.
This is very wet wood, so we'll see if this goes. Some more sticks, yeah.
Brighter skin, brighter in fame. I stepped in for a little while and warmed up to the thought. I wandered off a little while, expecting to be caught. Brighter goddess, brighter haze, brighten and bless, 'cause nature and fate, brighter criminal, I hope you escape.
We had the odds stocked against us today, like wet woods, not much firewood or tinder dotting around, but managed to salvage some reasonably dry wood and made some tinder. Used our resources a bit. Made some petroleum jelly firelighters. We're using cotton wool and Vaseline, and look what we've made. Now we've surrounded a little Jenga set of a. Oh, see better than Jenga set. Almost like a mesh of sticks that are going to dry out lovely. Yeah, like a little defense. Drying defense.
Drying fence.
There's the culprits right there.
Spit roasted on the top, nice bit of
Ooh.
nice pheasant.
What would you have liked it? What would you have liked to eat today?
Right now,
What could you have? Rabbit.
I think
Do
rabbit.
you reckon we would have done a nice rabbit skewer across there?
That would be.
Spit roasted.
You didn't even realise how fucking wicked that would be.
I could have spit roasted it. Imagine if we made a nice little turning thing. Nice bushcraft.
It's bushcraft. We just need a few spins and get straight through.
Totally.
To be fair, the badger could be at the stream at the top, you know.
We're going to get the badger.
There's a badger. There's a found a badger at a water source with Mikey today, and we could go in head first against the badger. To be fair, we've got knives. We've got tools to disarm or kill a badger.
Let's not go for the badger.
Brighter Kate, brighter Joe, brighter heaven, the fire aglow. I stopped in for a little while and threw in the evidence. I wandered off a little while, the sequence of events. Oh, brighter. Brighter, brighter, brighter. Ooh, brighter, brighter, brighter. Whoa, whoa, brighter. Morning coffee tastes like there's no use for me getting up again. And then I dream your lips onto my skin. Seeing many of your futures and plenty of your past. And I walk miles to get through you, but you're just a bit too fast. It's a morning.
So, I mean, the boys have just done a night in the rain. That's what we're planning on doing, testing out all the waterproof gear. Just went up Kielder. Lovely camp spot there. Just made a run, really just went off piste. Left no trace. Not one thing was left. Fire was disposed of. Left it as nature intends. So yeah, we're just walking back, I suppose. Now to get the car. Yeah, hope you enjoyed watching it, as much as we have camping. See the other side.
They were just people like you and me, so we'll make those ghosts disappear. And if I say I wanna live for freedom, I mean that I wanna be called by you.
Through the mountainous regions, I'm on top of a car fucking roof. Look at that. I'm not fucking around with the camera. It's going pretty good, you know. How are you, daughter? Are you in there as well? Oh, bloody hell. Oh, look at that.
Yeah! The wind is in my hair.
So just to cap off the end of the trip, did my first heavy rain sesh, conquered it, wet wood, made a wicked fire, survived pretty well, and then we've even finished the journey with little Owlie over there, Roger the Owl. He's a good lad. So, end of Kielder Forest, been a good trip, definitely come back. Catch you later.
Over and out.
Over and out.